Hi and welcome to this short tutorial on how to create accessible content in Web. Under the properties, you'll find an accessibility editor. Here you can easily change the tag of our element. Let's set it to a button. We can add ARIA labels and tab indexes. Let's do a tab index as well here. And you can of course add your own custom attributes. We have tried to find all the attributes that is very common to use. So here let's add a role to this element. Let's call this a button as well. And then we can also add, let's say, a disabled attribute. You'll see here that we will try to help you setting the correct values for your elements, but you can also add completely custom attributes like data tracking. Let's add this. Here you can set this value to whatever you want. Testing. You can always remove your attributes if you don't need them. Let's remove the role here. It's not disabled, so we have that one as well. And we have tried to, or we're trying to help you out as much as possible. So sometimes you'll see this converter button. This is when your design looks like a button. We'll show this to make it easy to add the button tag to your element. For icon buttons, we also try to detect this, and we can convert this to an icon button. Here you can see, we'll see that we need an ARIA label because it only has the gear icon. So here we will say, call this a settings button. We have also made it very easy to create reusable designs. So when you want some specific attributes to be added easily, you can always go create a main component, head into your main components, the properties tab. Let's convert this into a button. We also want a custom tracking attribute on this one. So let's add data tracking. For now, we don't need to fill this out. This can be filled out later when the elements is used. So let's head back to the canvas, select our button, go to properties, and now we can fill this out. So this is the read more button. More. So here you'll see these attributes cannot be removed. This is because it's inherited from the main component, but you're allowed to change the value. Sometimes you will see that you're not even allowed to change the values, and this is because sometimes when you use interactions, it's required to lock these attributes down. So let me show you how that works. So if I head to interactions, go to add the on click, let's go to a URL, and then let's add a URL here. If I now head back to the properties tab, you'll see now it has a tag, but it's locked. This is because the interaction requires this to be an anchor link, and you cannot remove this. If you want to remove this, you have to delete your interaction. Delete this, add back, and now you see we're back to our button. So yeah, that's it.